Welcome to my channel. NETGEAR EAX15. 1. Unbox and power up. Take the extender out of the box and plug it into an electrical outlet close to your Wi-Fi router to power it on. 2. Connect to the extender. On your device, search for and connect to the Wi-Fi network named NETGEAR_EXT or a similar identifier provided by the extender. 3. Access the setup page. Open a web browser and go to http://www.mywifiex.net or http://192.168.1.250 to access the setup interface. 4. Log in. Enter the default username admin and password to log into the extender's setup page. 5. Set up the extender. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. 6. Position the extender. Once configured, unplug the extender and place it in a location that's roughly midway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. 7. Check the signal. Ensure your devices are receiving a strong Wi-Fi signal in the areas where you need better coverage, adjusting the extender's placement if necessary. 8. Update firmware. For improved performance and bug fixes, check for and install any available firmware updates through the web interface or NETGEAR app. Thank you for watching.